So initially when you start, most of it's all pretty circular. I'm going to try to incorporate it in with the cup. So if you can give yourself a circular setup, you'll see the shadow casting in the same way. The geometricness of the plate itself. And the lip of the dish, you only see part of it, but you can get it set up there. And then the way these pancakes go, they do have a texture to it and the lip of it, so I'm just going to set it off to the side there. Kind of stack them as they go. Get the general shape because they're eclipsed by the bacon, which starts out as a rectangular shape. A lot of bacon. Sets it off to the side. Now, it's pretty basic at first, but again, if you take a look at your image and zoom into it, you can start to pick one of these items and wrap it around to get some texture basically on this section. So you can see the stripe of the texture and illustration close up. See how you do. And this is where you're kind of outlining it maybe at the same time delineating the contour. Cross contour across there. So when you look at something that has a little more to draw, you can focus in on one thing. That'll help you illustrate it. It's almost like a ribbon design. It does have a strong shadow on it, so that helps. For that part. Then if you take a look at any one of the pancakes, it starts off round, but then pushing and finding that edge, if you have a thick lead like I gave you here, it'll get you that outline edge. You can kind of build on it, and then it kind of creeps underneath there. You can kind of see it a little bit better. So you just have to pick one item to try to illustrate there. So here I'm trying to shade it in relatively quickly, letting it arch over so there's some texture in this pancake. So I can erase some of that out of there. So you zoom in, see what's happening. little harder to draw this. I think that's the point there. So you can kind of see that. And then the outer edge of the plate, you see that you're not really drawing that much of it because it's hidden. It does have a cast shadow as well. So in something like this, you're trying to simplify the drawing. And in this case, you can use an eraser. Get some of that texture. Smear some of that in there.